Hi, welcome to Paul's Kitchen for another exciting version of Who Knew What You Could Do with Italian salad dressing. We're not using this today. See ya. Doing two quick and easy recipes with bananas. First, I'm going to make soft banana cookies with a cream cheese little icing on top. I'll show you how we do it. What we're going to need is a banana. You're going to need some coconut oil, coconut flour, almond flour, a little bit of confectionery sugar, just a very little white sugar, cinnamon, baking soda, cream cheese, vanilla extract, salt, just a little, and an egg at room temperature. So let's get right to it. Let's go. Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to try to get it. Try to get close. I'm going to melt this and cool it. So it's going to take about a minute in the microwave. Alright. Alright. Yeah, it might be a little estimated guess, but right in the microwave. 1 minute. Okay. Now I'm going to take the banana. I'm going to mash it. Take that little end off. I'm just going to mash it up. I'll keep mashing it, but you know what to do, right? Just keep mashing it. So when that oil cools off, I'm going to add that with just a 1/4 cup of sugar, right here. Okay, there it is. That's all the sugar you're going to use in this. Nothing to it. Okay, we're going to use a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, put that right in. Nice and easy. See how this looks? It's melted. I'm just going to let it cool for a few seconds. So I'll mix this in. Okay. So you're going to need some parchment paper. I should have got this before. Alright, here we go. There's our cookies. So now we've got this mixed up, as you can see. Blend it in nice. We'll blend it. Alright. It's cooled. Probably should cool it a little bit longer, but I'm doing a few guys, so we're going to put it in, right? Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, right in. Alright. That goes in. The egg that I've had sitting out, room temperature. 1 egg. This is going to make about 12 to 14 cookies. And they're called soft banana cookies. Okay. There we go. Blend that in. Now my measuring cup. The almond flour. 1 1/4 cup. And I'm going to pack it like you do sugar. Pack it right in there. There's 1 cup. All right. Pack it. 1 1/4 cup. So we're going to put this right in. All right. We're going to use, here it is, 1/4 cup of this coconut flour. That's too much. 1/4 cup. Put that right in. Put these over here. Over here. Okay, we want a 1/2 teaspoon, which is right here, of baking soda. Half a teaspoon in. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Yes, Layla. That's Miss Layla. Just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Put this over here. Use my trusty fork. And I'll blend it all together. You know how to do this, but I'll show you. Mix it all up, get all those flavors mixed up. This is basically, well, this is the cookie dough. We're going to refrigerate this for about 5 to 10 minutes. As soon as I get it to where I want it, okay, now that's blended really nice. Now I'll refrigerate the cookie dough for about 10 minutes and we're going to preheat the oven. In the fridge it goes. Oven, 350. Preheated. Little parchment paper. Put that right on top. If it cooperates. Put that aside. Clean up a little bit of the mess here. Now, cream cheese, a little bit of cinnamon, and powdered sugar, cream cheese, and a little bit more vanilla. And that's how we're going to make our icing for the top. I'll show you. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes, so we're going to let that cool off and get ready. Okay, alright, so here we are. Welcome back. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. This is going to be for the top of my cookie. So 2 tablespoons. Yeah, I'm guessing. Fine by me. 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Half a cup, right in there. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Just the right amount. Go figure. Bet I can't do that again. That's ready. And 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we'll mix these. Oh, wait a minute. Almost forgot something. Butter at room temperature. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. You can use your little measuring thing on the butter stick if you want. I just go by eye. So now we're just going to mix this up. And the butter butter's not quite at room temperature, so it's going to take me a little bit longer, but that's okay. This is for the top of the cookie, which we'll blend it all up. Now, it's still too thick. Like right now, the butter's not melted, but I'll get there. If it's still too thick when you're all done with this, just add a little bit of milk. I mean, just a drop, and it'll get nice and creamy. So let's get that dough out. Let's get that going. We'll work on this while they're in the oven. So here we go. Here's the dough for our soft banana cookies. Okay, this is like a healthy version of banana cookies. So take them, roll them up into golf ball size pieces, just like that. Place them right on parchment paper. We're gonna let that soften. We'll get back to that, trust me. So we'll do this for all 12, or how many we get, 12, 13, 14, I don't know. We're gonna find out. Do this quick. Keep them apart, about an inch, so they can spread like all cookies. There we go. It's so quick and easy. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep doing them so you can see how quick it is. And they're delicious. They really are. With hardly any sugar at all. So that's good. Some might be bigger than others, but because we're not perfect, I'll try to get it close. There we go. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to do another video after this. I'm going to do my banana French toast roll-ups. They're going to love them. Kids are going to love them. They're really good. As soon as these go in the oven and I'm done, then we'll go over to that one. And for that one you'll need 3 bananas sliced up, and then I'll show you how to do it after that. So we're getting close here, people. See how quick this is? Quick and easy. Healthy version of cookies. Can you believe it? Still a little bit of sugar in there, but not much. And they're really, really good. So there's a dozen. I get 2 more. Let's do it. Alright. Little golf balls. Alright, so now this one's a little bit bigger. Just like the meatballs, you never know how big they're going to be, how you're going to do them. I'm just going to press them down. 1, 2. See how I'm pressing them down? Just right down. Hands are getting a little sticky. And the last one. Now, they're at 350. They're going to go in for about 10 minutes. Put them right in. And those are in. Let's get back to our icing, the top. Let me just wash my hands. Okay. Let's see how this looks. I didn't let the butter stay at room temperature too long, so it's giving me a little bit of a hard time. But as you can see, as it gets softer, it's going to make a really nice icing. Now on top of these, when they're done, you can also use almonds. put them in your little blender, chop them up, cut them up, and put them right on the top if you'd like. If you don't, just eat them the way they are, the way I do. So the butter at room temperature makes a huge difference. Yes. Give me a little bit of a hard time, but we're getting there. There we go. Now, remember I told you, dash the milk? I mean, just a touch. Ready? Look. And that's it. That was a bit too low. That'll make it more creamy. Getting there.
Ready.
Okay, hi. So the cookies gonna take 10 minutes. We're gonna let them cook cool for about 5 to 10, maybe 15 minutes. And when they're done, I'm gonna put that frosting on top of them, refrigerate them. I'm gonna show you what they look like. I added cinnamon to the frosting. You don't have to. You can keep it without. I just did it because I really like cinnamon, but you can do it without the cinnamon, and I'm going to show you in just a few seconds because those cookies are almost done and cooled off, and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. See you soon.
Ready.
Okay, so they're cooled off. You didn't need to see all that. It takes time. As you can see, this is the finished product, and these are soft banana, healthy banana cookies with a cream cheese topping. You can add almonds, or you can leave them just like this. You can add the cinnamon like I did for the next one. This is another batch I did. You can see there's no cinnamon because you can see the color is different. So that's without the cinnamon. And I'll show you, because I'll do them after, as soon as the other ones are done, how it looks with that. So that's it. How quick and easy was that? If you like this, please go to YouTube, put in Paul's Kitchen, then type in "Who Knew What You Could Do," and you'll get this mug. And now, right after I'm done with this one, we're going to do the banana French toast roll-ups.